This natural recipe will make your facial hair disappear forever. There are a countless number of women who have to deal with excessive and unwanted facial hair. The unwanted facial hair can appear on the cheeks, forehead, upper lip or chin. As a result, women can feel unattractive and unfeminine, especially if the hair is excessive and thick. Excessive facial hair appears due to various reasons, such as heredity and thyroid dysfunction. In order to treat this issue, women decide to spend a fortune on expensive products, treatments, and creams. However, these methods do not only provide a temporary result, but they are also painful. Therefore, it is far better to rely on natural alternatives. So, we decided to show you a natural scrub to get rid of facial hair. The following scrub is made of some affordable ingredients. Moreover, it has long-lasting effects, and it is safe to use. Additionally, this scrub will rejuvenate the skin, improve its quality, and make it smooth and shiny. Natural recipe for facial hair. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon oatmeal paste. Simply blend a half teaspoon of oatmeal, 6 to 7 drops of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Instructions: all you should do is blend all the ingredients. Then, rub them on the spot where you need to eliminate the hair. Leave the mixture for 15 minutes and wash your face with warm water. Then, apply a face cream. Repeat this procedure for 2 to 3 times a week. After a month, the hair will be gone.